In this video, I will show you to customize the button styles in your Squarespace website. Here you can go and select the website. Now you can edit any of the page from here. For example, let me go and select the about page, this one. Then edit. Now scroll down. Okay, on this page there is no button. Now let me go back. Select any other page. Okay, this one is the home page. Let me click here, edit. Then scroll down. So this one is the button. Click here. Primary, secondary and tertiary. So these are the button styles, and after that here you can link the button to any page. Then you can pin it, then you can duplicate, then you can also delete it. After that click here, this one, pencil button, to see all of the properties for the button. Here you can change the text, for example, contact us. Then for the link, here you can see this one is linked with about page. You can remove the link, you can edit. After that click here, design. Here you can select the button style. Click here, edit button styles. Now scroll down. Okay, these are the different button styles that you can choose. Let me close this one. Again close it. Now again click here, then pencil button. Now scroll down. Click here, content, design, and the third option is animation. So in this way you can easily customize the button styles in your Squarespace.